Alright guys, welcome back. So in this question, we know that the SR is 10 and we have TS 24 and we know the area of the circle is K pi and we need to find the value of the K in this question. So what we know in here is that the TS here will be 24, we have SR 10 and we can make a right triangle in here by connecting T and R. So if we connect these two, now we have a right triangle that the Pythagorean theorem works in here. And if we want to find the TR from the Pythagorean theorem, we know that TR squared will be equal to SR squared plus TS squared, which means if we want to find TR squared, we will have 24 squared plus 10 squared, and this will be 576, and this will be 100. And if we want to find TR, we will have the square root of 676, which will be 26. Here we go, and we have the hypotenuse of this right triangle now 26. And if we look at this, we'll see that this will be the diameter of circle, which means 26 will be equal to the diameter or the 2 of the radius. So from here we can find the radius 26 divided by 2 or 13. Now we have the radius of the circle, and we have one more information in the question, that the area of the circle, if we want to show it with A, is pi times r squared. This will be equal to k times pi. So we can cancel out the pi from each side, and what we end up is r squared is equal to k, and our r is 13. So we have 13 squared, which is 169, and the value of the k will be 169, and that would be the final answer for this question. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.